Hey guys, happy Friday. It's Marissa, kitchentablestamper.com. We're going to use some scraps to spread some holiday cheer today. I've got a quick, simple project for you today to spread some holiday cheer. I know it's completely a mystery. Got my scraps. I've got shaded spruce, whisper white. Look at real red. Isn't this a mess? Got my scraps. And then I've got my 'Tis the Season designer series paper, and we're looking for the scraps there too. And I'm going to show you something quick and cute that you can have on hand to spread holiday cheer. Let's see here. So let's just jump right in. We're going to craft and chat. It's a little laid back. Usually I show you and we go through. We have a pattern, but not today. We're going to just have some fun. We need a scrap that's 2 by 4 1/4. And I'm kind of feeling drawn to this one. Kind of like this one too, but I don't know if that's 2 inches wide. This one's kind of fun too. This one will give you kind of a hint at what I'm doing. Let me check out my sizes here. All right, let me get the scraps out of the way. All right, let's get a paper trimmer in here so you can measure these up and see. We need one that's 2 by 4 1/2. That's 4 1/4. So that one's a little bit short, a little bit narrow too. We might be going with this holly paper because I don't think that one's long enough, but not wide enough. All right, so we're going holly. That's our choice. But the idea is use up your scraps. So make lots of these. You'll want to. I promise. They're so cute and so affordable. All right, so we're going 4 1/2 by 2. And I know that you have lots and lots of scraps like these around. That's where you start. All right, now I've got my detailed tag topper. Let's go ahead and punch this guy. We're going to take both ends. You guys are going to love this. I think so anyway. I love this. All right, so that's that guy. Now we want to make the holes just a little bit bigger. So you could either take some scissors and snip like a little star, or you can grab a little bit bigger punch. This is a 3/8 of an inch punch. I share an Amazon link to this very often because we don't have one. I don't think Stampin' Up has had a 3/8 inch circle punch as far as I can remember. But you want to just make those a little bit bigger. All right, you following along with me so far? All right, so there's that. I'm gonna slide that aside. Now we need a couple of little scraps here. Let me find my shaded spruce. Actually, I'm going with real red. Let's see. I need something big enough to punch a label. This is a yard sale. Do you guys have them like this too? Some of the colors that I use, I have such small scraps, it's ridiculous. All right, so with this one, we are going to punch. This is Label Me Lovely, I believe. Label Me Lovely punch. And we're gonna emboss it. All right, let me bring in, got my Stampin' Cut and Emboss, and we wanna emboss this label. And I want to use my wrapped in texture embossing folders here. I'm going to grab this one that looks like kind of woven. These folders are so awesome. Now, so I told you this is something that you're going to spread cheer. You're going to make lots of these. So what you do is you take your labels and you put 2 in, and then you put 2 in this folder, and then you run 4 labels all at one time. Okay, you guys got that? That's probably what I should be doing anyways, because you're gonna love these. You're gonna wanna make these. All right, then we're going to put a lid on that and give it a crank. Uh-oh, I don't remember if this one's a 3D one or not, but it didn't want to go. Hold on while I check and see if I have to do this 3D style. I brought both plates because I couldn't remember for sure if these guys were 3D. Well, it doesn't want 1 and 4 because that was way too loose. So we're gonna try again with 1 and both 3s. Oh, you know why I had my thin die adapter in there? It's my first day. See what happens when you take a week off? You can't remember how to use the embossing folders. And I didn't even take a week off. I was just on stage. Watch this. It's gonna go this time. Don't laugh. It's not funny. All right. I decided I needed a manicure that fit for fall. We've got 32 degrees. At least it's sunny though. All right, so look at how gorgeous that is. And to recap, it's a regular embossing folder, not a 3D. So you want 1, 3, 3. All right, there is where we're at so far. What do you guys think? Ready for another little hint? We've got, well, you know it's Christmas. We're going to take Itty Bitty Christmas. And I love this Have a Sugar Sprinkled Season. Isn't that great? I like No Peeking Till Christmas. Oh, what yum. This is a really fun little stamp set, especially for treats. So I'm going to grab Have a Sugar Sprinkled Season, some shaded spruce ink, and do I want to do shaded spruce? Nah, I'm going to do cherry cobbler this time. I'm mixing it up from the original sample. I'm going to do a quick die cut here. I never have to figure out the die cutting part. That I got down. Set that guy back up. I need some white scraps. Pop that guy on there. And time to grab my trio of tags. I love these shapes. We're gonna, they match really well with the Itty Bitty Christmas. And we're going to give it a crank and then stamp a greeting on. I should be making a few of these at one time because they'd make a better photograph if I had a few of them. I bet you wonder what they are. All right, Have a Sugar Sprinkled Season. We're gonna put that low of center. Give it a minute to transfer. I want a nice greeting. Not bad, not bad. All right, a little more. My next stamp set is photopolymer. So we got our Stampin' Pierce mat. We're going to use gift wrapped. I'm in love with this bundle. I need some shaded spruce scraps here. You know, I want to try something else. I got some mint macaron scraps instead. It'll give us a little more contrast. See, can you tell I'm totally winging the color combination? Let's stamp shaded spruce on mint macaron. I did that a lot in the Wrap It Up for Christmas class. It gives you a really nice, it's harmonious. It's kind of monochromatic, but it gives you some nice detail. All right, I don't think I'm going to get 2 of that out of this piece because of the little center, but I want 2. So let's punch this guy out and see if there's enough left. If not, we'll grab some more scraps. That's what we're doing today. This is a great way to use your scraps. Yeah, I'm going to give that a try. Is that too brave? Let's see what we can do. It's only a scrap, right? If it doesn't work out, we'll try it again. You guys already saw how it doesn't always work out putting your sandwich together to emboss. We'll try stamping too. If I can get 2 bows out of that, I win. Oh, I've missed crafting with you guys, but wait till you see what I have up my sleeve. I have some really good stuff. All right, let's see. Think we can get it without it being flat on one side? Oh, I think it's gonna be perfect. I win. I win. I win. Oh wait, come here. You guys gotta see that. You guys gotta say, look, I win. Oh, pretty good, right? All right. So so here's our pieces so far. I like how this is coming together. Wait till you see the other one, so different. All right, little bows. I need some paper snips. Don't worry, this guy's gonna be all right, I promise. Ooh. I think I promise. All right, we're gonna cut one tail off. Are we gonna cut both tails off? I have to go back and inspect my sample. All right, so this is what we've got now. We're gonna make a Franken bow. We need some dimensionals. I'm gonna get some big and some little. And we're gonna make this guy take shape. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is put right in the center of the full one and expose the adhesive. And then we're gonna bring this guy there, right? Now we're gonna take this guy and we're gonna put a little Stampin' Dimensional at the end of this tail. We're gonna put that guy over here. See, now before we go any further, I've got these amazing little jingle bells. So cute. I've been really hooked on the gold ones. So we're gonna get outside of the box here and we're gonna grab a cherry cobbler one. I have used so many gold ones. All right, underneath the top layer. And then we're going to thread the bell and tie it on. Good. Isn't that just, I mean, there we go. I could be done and that would be pretty exciting. Isn't that cute? I love these bows with the bells. That was the plan as soon as I saw them. And I'm like, oh, so glad the bells are back because they're gonna be perfect with the bows. All right, so there's our little Franken bow. It's got all kinds of loops and swoops. We've tied it all together. Now, I got candy cane. And we're gonna go ahead and thread through the top and then out the bottom. These will be beautiful on your Christmas table. Put one on each plate. Make up a bunch of them, and with a socially distant pass, hand one of those to the mailman. I should say the postal worker, because maybe you have a mail lady. These would be really cute to take to school. I don't know if anybody's got kids in school. Are your kids going to school? Mine are in and out and in and out. It makes everything else really crazy. I'm looking for some bigger dimensionals here now. We need a little more hold. We're gonna take a couple of dimensionals, put them right on the label, or on the wrapper, I should say. And then we'll add our textured label. Can go a little bit low of center. And then our sugar sprinkled season. Guess what? More dimensionals right in the center of the tag. And then our fun little Franken bow. Go back to minis. Gonna put one. And I kind of, with stuff like this, I like to put a dimensional and then get that where I like it. And now it's adhered, so I'll go back and I'll add more dimensionals to make this secure, instead of trying to guess where the dimensionals are going to actually make contact with the layer below it. So we can do one here, and then we can do one over here, and see. So if we just lift and tuck, then we know that the dimensionals will make contact on the proper layer. And then here we only have one on the very center of the knot. So I'm going to put one here to support that. And that should probably do. Have a sugar sprinkled season. Like, so cute. All right, so here's the original design. little gold bell. Like I said, I'd been crazy with the gold bells. It was time to use something different. It wasn't even what I had in mind when I started out today. They'll be so pretty as you mix and match the scraps of designer series paper and the colors, the bows and the bells, and just can't say that that wouldn't bring a smile to anybody's face. Make up a bunch and have them ready to hand out. All right, you guys, if you've got any questions about the project, the class, products, anything I can do for you, email marissa@kitchentablestamper.com. Shopping Stampin' Up is easy when you buzz over to marisaalvarez.stampinup.net. And thanks for joining me today. Bye, guys. Thank you.